Life, you're gonna break down laughter watching the funniest show you've ever seen. It may be different than the person next to you, but all of you are watching the funniest shows you've ever seen. All of you on the count of 3, as you awaken, watching the funniest shows. Visualize, picture, and see in your mind. In 1, 2, 3. Wide awake. Hi, can I get the 3 of you to move your chairs up just a little bit? Join the rest of the group. I know your chairs are kind of taped together, or they were at least. Yo, what are you watching? Hi, what are you watching?
Adventure Time.
Adventure Time? Hey, what you watching?
Snakes.
Snakes? You two, opening your eyes. You opening your eyes, watching the funniest show you've ever seen right about now. What you watching?
Tash Boy.
All of you, take a look. Take a look. Those of you in the audience, you will awaken watching the funniest show you've ever seen. In 1, 2, 3. Watching the funniest show you've ever seen. As I change the channel, all of you, even you in the audience, you're going to become very emotional watching this next show. Take a look as it changes to a young little boy, just in the outskirts of the park, watching all these children play. He's so cute though. He's about 7 years old. His name is Tommy. He's the new kid in town. But nobody talks to him because he's different than everybody else. But take a look, he's so cute. He's about 7 years old, watching all the other children play. But all the other kids, they've ignored him or laughed at him or called him names just because he's different. But he's only 7. He doesn't notice the difference. But you know what? Today might be different because he sees some kids he's never ever seen before. Maybe they'll be friends with him. He walks up to them, big brave smile on his face, he's humming a song, looking so cute. One of the children notices and points, the other one laughs. The big kid on the other side of the park, the one that Tommy doesn't see, just picks something up really heavy. And he's bouncing it in his hand. It looks like a big rock. Throws it towards Tommy. Tommy doesn't see it coming. Oh no, look out, Tommy! Oh, it hit him right in the face. That must have hurt. I'm sorry, that's funny. She's fucking mean. He walks away, wiping away the tear, and all the other children notices him crying and starts chanting, "Cry baby, cry baby, cry baby," making him feel even worse. But take a look, something's running up towards little Tommy. It's a cute little puppy. Oh, look how cute that little puppy is. You wish you had a puppy like that when you were a child. So cute, big floppy ears, so playful, jumping up and down. Makes little Tommy laugh and forget about the mean kids. He grabs that ball and throws it, the puppy chases after, picks it up, brings it back. Look how cute that is. He grabs the ball again, throws it out there again, the puppy chases after it and trips over his big floppy ears. Look how cute that is. Some of the children are watching. Tommy wants to impress them. He grabs that ball. He wants to throw it as hard as he can. He winds up. Let's go, huge grunt. The ball hits the edge of the park. Uh-oh. It rolls out into the middle of the street. The puppy's chasing after little Tommy, screaming, "No, no." Doesn't see that pickup truck coming. Oh no, look out, puppy, look out, look out. And little Tommy starts crying. He runs out in the middle of the street, picks up his little puppy, looks up at the sky and goes, "Why?" Doesn't see that semi coming. Uh-oh. Look out, Tommy. Look out, look out. Look out. Ooh, that just missed him. And take a look, the puppy's still alive. It's a miracle. I gotta change the channel for you to something I know you definitely will like. Take a real close look. You can't believe they're playing this on TV. But it's... Check that out. It may be different than the person next to you. But look what you're watching. Usually you have to go to the internet to see something like that. When I ask you what you're watching, you will tell me what you're watching. Yo man, what you watching? Is it good? Wow. size of that? What? It is. Whoa.
I can't find her remote.
Yeah, what did you watch? I'm watching Beyonce.
Yo, man. Ariana Grande.
You're gonna find as soon as I turn off the TV, all of you. I'm sorry, miss. What's so funny? Is it good?
She's hot.
You're gonna find as soon as I turn off the TV, all of you once again class back into deep, deep sleep in 3, 2, 1. Deep asleep. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce myself. My